What's up, gang? I am back again in a place you might recognize, back here in Asbury Park.
And for those of you who don't recognize it, I'll give you a little backstory. See this man right here? We call him Darren number 1. Well, he didn't like the fact that I had my tripod set up across the street from his chiropractic office, so he decided to make a call to the local PD. And
my name is
what
Patrick
do the
Connolly.
local PD do? They send out this
Summerfield.
fat, stupid idiot, Officer Daryl Whitless, badge 228, and he comes out, rolls on out of the car there, and the first thing he does is ask me for credentials, and then his backup and his supervisor come, and they tell him numerous times that I am good to go, that I am simply recording in public. He even goes inside and tells the chiropractor himself that there's nothing he can do. I'm recording in public. Yet here he comes barging out, telling me I can't record his vehicle. He puts his hands on me. I tell him to back up, don't touch me. He says, you can't record my vehicle. I say I can. He says, I'm not going to let you. I say I will. And, it ends up badly. He arrests me. First, he grabs me here, and I instantly pull away. He says I'm resisting. Goes down. Anyway, if you want to see the whole thing, it's on my channel. This is a follow-up on that, me following my tort claim notice, so I preserve my right to sue potentially down the line.
I'm going to be filing my tort notice of claim with the city to preserve my right to sue them for personal injury, property damage, and civil rights violations. I've also got an Oprah request in here that I'll be submitting for additional body cam footage and use of force reports, training reports for Officer Whitley, and any, disciplinary reports on him as well. I've got my 8 pages here of my tort claim notice. All right, gonna head inside. What's that all about? Yeah, what's that for? Report. Court's not in session now, is it? It's over. No metal detector for court. Do I need to press the button? Good. I've got an Oprah request, and I also have a tort notice of claim. Can you make a copy? You got a good breeze, Dave. Yes, please. Most of you, yeah. I think that's all. Are you the person who handles that? Are you the person that handles the Oprah request? So that's, the girl at the court records told me you submitted here.
No, you submitted here.
Oh, okay.
But the request is going to come from the police.
Okay. Not too confusing, right? And your name was? Anthony. Thanks so much, Anthony. You too. Got our notice in on time. Some friendly service from Anthony. Although we did get more grief about this damn window over here with the court, you know, wanting to prohibit recording inside that window. It's just such bullshit. We will definitely, I'm sure, have to take it up with the judge eventually, because it's just completely unconstitutional. Let's see how our local neighborhood PD is doing. Got the window closed. I wonder if that's because of me. Out to lunch. A little late for lunch. Anyway, I feel good that I got that tort notice in on time. We only had 90 days to get that submitted. Otherwise, we would lose all of our rights to sue anybody. So we don't want that to happen. All right, I'm gonna be out of here now.
There you have it. Not the most thrilling episode, but a step in the process nonetheless, and one that is time sensitive. If you intend to take any action, well, at least in New Jersey, if you plan on suing this municipality or the state, you must file this tort claim notice within 90 days. So right now we're in the 90-day time frame. We had until the 7th, and we submitted this on the 3rd. It was also a good opportunity for me to start using my new gimbal, and I am starting to get used to it a little bit. It definitely makes the footage much smoother, and I'll be trying to use it from now on. Quick look at the Tort Claim Notice form that is specifically on the Asbury Park website. You really want your firstborn. They ask for Social Security and everything, but you know, you have to describe the event. A lot of this is meant for when you get in a car accident with a cop car or a town vehicle, but there's other stuff here: negligence, wrongful acts. You see, this claim form must be filed within 90 days of accident, or you may forfeit your rights. Doesn't that suck? Some of these time frames and statutes of limitations really can suck when you find out that you just missed a deadline or you just missed a statute of limitations and now you're screwed. That really hurts. That really hurts. This is an 8-page questionnaire, essentially. I filled it all out as best I could due to the fact that some of the stuff is unresolved, like some of the medical stuff. I do have some injuries to my arm that I'm getting looked at. Some other stuff that I'm not going to talk about, but stuff has to be filled out on this form and submitted, and the state form is even more comprehensive. So I do plan on doing that. I probably won't make another video on it because it's essentially the same thing, but Anybody who watched, I greatly appreciate it, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one.
Subscribe now.